Hello, hello, how are you? It's your girl Kara NG here again, and I'm back with a very interesting video. As you can see, I'm next to my fridge today. Yes, I want us to clean this fridge. It's quite dirty. I've not cleaned it for quite a while, and I want us to do it together. So I had already switched it off yesterday night, and before switching it off, I just made sure I have cleared everything in the freezer. This is my freezer. It's a two-door fridge. In the freezer, I made sure everything is cleared up, and also down here in the I don't know whether it is called the fridge section. I don't know. The I mean, let us just call it the fridge section. Yes, hapa chini. Yes. So everything is clear. The reason why I switched it off, it's because I have taken quite a long time without cleaning the freezer. It was too icy. It had some food particles that had stuck on the ice, and that's the reason why I decided to switch it off so that I can do a deep cleaning. Water to sanitize his fridge. It has stayed for quite a long time. The other time, it does not mean that I don't usually wash it, but it is usually very tricky to wash a freezer properly kama bado iko na vitu. The only place that is usually easy to clear up faster is this section as compared to the freezer. So today we are going to do a deep cleaning of our fridge. I'm going to show you the before and the after of it, and then you are going to tell me whether we have done something good, whether we have tried washing. It is not, of course, a perfect cleaning, but this is what I normally do for mine. By the way, with this method that I'm going to show us, no smells, no bad odor. Yes. So guys, let's go. So this is our before. This is what I'm telling you guys. You can see easy food particles zimekuwa zikimwagika when I'm trying to get it off. You can see the ice has not yet defrosted. Since yesterday night it was too much. That's why I switched it off. Yes, that's the freezer section. It is divided into two. Up here I normally store my milk, and down here maybe other cereals. So let's see the other region. This one is not too dirty because it's dirty but not very dirty, because I normally clean it once in a while. So we are going to clean it together. Maybe I'm going to switch it on as I clean so that we can have a better view. So I'm going to show us what I normally use. So guys, keep following and try it on yours. So guys, in my cleaning, I normally use two main things. So the first one is white vinegar, this one. Yes, very clear. And if you do not have this one, you can squeeze in some lime or some lemon juice, but lime is the best. So you can either choose the two. Then it normally helps to eliminate any bad smell in the fridge. That's item number one. White vinegar, you can add in lime, and you can also use them together. And the other thing is any dishwashing powder. For me, I can the best one is liquid, but as you do this, you can also use normal soap. But as you add in this soap, ensure that you don't do a lot of it, because it is going to give you a hard time while trying to clear up the whatever that foam. And of course, the other thing that you need when washing your fridge is clean water. So I'm going to add in the two in my water. Then I'll use a piece of cloth to just wipe the fridge. It's just that easy. The magic is whatever you use while cleaning. We need our glasses clean. We need the sides of our fridge clean. So guys, let's do it. We are going to start with our freezer section. Say the freezer, my fridge has two sections. I'm going to start in with this section, and the first thing that I'm going to do is to drain in the water. Hii fridge iko, as I've shown you before, it has ice. I want to drain in this ice and the one that has already defrosted. So that is the first thing that I am going to do. Then I'm going to move to the bottom section, which is not very dirty. So guys, let's go. So let's go, guys. We'll first draining this excess water. That's ice. Sorry. So I'm using another wider cloth as compared to what I'll be using because I want it to quickly drain in the water because this ice is too much. I think I've not switched off my fridge for about 2 months. So this is very risky. If you have gloves, the better. I don't have. That's why I'm saying this is risky business. Yes, and I'm done with all my ice. But baridi, it's very, very cold, by the way. Let me show you what I've collected from it. I don't so a lot of ice. Let me show you. That is what was in the freezer. So now we can comfortably start wiping it using our vinegar, our soap, and our water. So guys, let's go. Let's first make our water or whatever we are using. Use a few drops of vinegar, not drops, I mean vifuniko. Yes, then add in your soap, some considerable amount. And I said be careful on the amount of soap you add because the more you add, the more you make your work harder. So I've just added a little bit of it. This is quite little. So, and let's begin. So, I'm going to start with my freezer because I've already done some work on it. So just wipe it nicely. Yes, the vinegar, I said it normally eliminates any odor or bad smell. And if you don't have it, you can use lime. Yes, in this channel, we always give alternatives. If you don't have something, we always look for something else that can work the same as what we have used. So do not forget to clean the door too. Just clean it well. Although it is not as dirty as I thought, maybe the only thing that was making me think it's dirty is those food particles that had fallen on the ice. But I had taken quite a long time without cleaning it. Because the only way you can clean the freezer is by first ensuring that it doesn't have anything in it. So, it's sparkling clean, but I will come and rinse it. So let me show you how it looks like. It's clean. I feel it's clean. Yes, so we can comfortably move to the lower section, which is a bit tedious because of the what? Isoglasses. So we are going to clean slowly. This one, I normally clean it once in a while. So allow me to switch it on because I had switched it off yesterday so that we can see clearly what we are doing. So I'll start by firstly removing the glasses. Yes, this one needs us to be careful. Just carefully wash them. Carefully wash the glasses. Do not be in a hurry. Whether they are dirty, they are dirty. I don't know, ama ni maziwa ilimwagikia, but they are dirty. So give us a suggestion. What do you use to clean your glasses, by the way? Because these ones are a bit delicate. You can easily, yes, imewaka. So it is going to be clear what we are doing. Then I think I'll first place them somewhere we finish cleaning. So you realize that there are some partitions in the fridge. I don't know if they are all the same, but mine has. And also ensure that you also clean these parts. Let me bring the camera nearer so that I can show you what I'm saying. I mean, you clean these parts, these ones. Yes, this is what I'm saying. On both sides, I've already removed the glass that I normally put on this upper part. So it will be easy for me to clean all of them because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I normally place my glasses in either of the 5 parts. So clean them. These partitions normally hold the glasses, and sometimes if you don't wash them, they normally accumulate a lot of dirt. So just do it slowly. You know that at the time I was cleaning, I interfered with my light, and God, I had to replace it. I don't really know what happened, but it just switched off suddenly. So just be careful when cleaning these lower sections because of the glasses. Everything is delicate in this lower section, by the way. So we will go to our glass number 2. Just get it off and do as I have done for the other one. Yes, I said suggest to us, my viewers, what do you use to wash these glasses? Maybe there is something else that is easier, because when I do this, I'll have to clean them with a dry cloth so that they can completely dry up before I place them back to my fridge. So that's our second glass. So the other one is a small one, and I'm going to clean it the same way as I have done to the rest. And the final section of my fridge is this. This one I normally store my grocery, the nyanyas, the whatever, the onion, not the onion, sorry, the carrots. So I'm going to wash these thoroughly in the kitchen. So that one we are not going to wash it together. So after that, so wipe it completely. So this is my whole fridge. I don't know what happened to this section. I don't know why it is stained. You can see there's still some dirt here that I'm going to wipe off before I now show you the. Yes, and this kapat, this is that dirty water that normally gets omitted. I don't know ama hii huko nyuma inaitwa aje. Yes, whatever. So let's finish up wiping. I've already removed all the glasses, so it will be easy for me to wipe. So guys, I'm done with this lower section, but I'm a bit disappointed because of that region. Yes, I don't know hiyo stain ilitoka wapi, but I don't know. I really don't know imetoka wapi. So I've already fixed my glasses back. I said this is a very delicate region of the fridge. So the glasses are already fixed in a way that they can accommodate anything comfortably, because I have left in enough spacing. And I've already washed this one. It was dirty, and placed it back. So the only thing that I'll be left to do is coming in with now some clean water and just do some final touch, but I will not do it to this because I've already cleaned and dried it. So we can now comfortably move to our door section, which is a bit dirty. So we will do the same thing that we did to that other part, and after which I will now come and rinse the whole fridge using clean water and a cloth. So guys, I've cleaned in the door section. As you can see, a great change there. So you can, these things are removable. You can remove them and clean them in water if they are completely dirty. And now guys, I think the inside section is done, and I will now clean the outer region of the fridge. That is the cover. I've never peeled in this paper, but I'll do it. So we will now clean the outer region, and I'll say it's done. I'll just come with some water, with clean water, and just clean it outside inside kidogo, just rinsing just a little bit. So guys, don't worry about my fridge. I have placed it in my living room because my kitchen is a bit small. So let's clean the outer part, then we shall call it a task well done. So we are still using our water, so we'll clean in. I think I need to undo this paper. It's already peeling off itself. So I'll do this to the whole fridge, outside, the sides. Yes, and I will call it a task. So this is the water we have been using all through. Let's get some clean water and now do our final rinsing. We have our clean water here now. So I'm going to do a final rinsing, and I'll squeeze it completely and just get through. Haijamalizika chu nini the soap. Just completely rinse, then I'll do a final thorough touch. So guys, that will be the end of our cleaning. I hope you have learned. Just be very careful while washing. And let me do a rinsing behind the camera. So guys, I'm done. Let me show you how our results. Yes, this is the freezer. Remember how it looked like when we were beginning? Yes, this is our partitioning of the freezer and the lower section. I don't know its name. So that's it. Our fridge is clean. It's as clean as new. Our door section, remember how it looked like? This one was left out. Yes, and there we go. I hope we have learned. Yes, we have our fridge clean, and I can now comfortably boil in my cereals and come and place them in my freezer. So thank you guys. So guys, I hope you have learned something. That was just a small and a simple way of how I normally clean my fridge. So you can tell us in the comment section how you normally do yours, but just ensure you use some vinegar or some lime just to eliminate the bad odor. So guys, in case you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and ensure you hit the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you can always be the first to see. Bye bye guys. Bye, and see you in my next vlog. I love you. Bye.